A landing page is as important as your ads, if not more. You can have the best ads designed with really amazing text and images and drive a lot of traffic to your site, but if they don't buy anything, all that money spent on ads and driving traffic will be wasted. So what that means is that your landing page must have all the information that would be needed by someone to make that buying decision. Because ads can only bring people to your site, they can't force them to buy anything. That decision can only be made by the site visitor. And that is why you need a great landing page. And it's not the design that we're talking about. Sure, that helps to grab attention as well. But a great landing page is one that has all the information that your audience will need to make that buying decision. To set up a great landing page, all you have to do is ensure that your existing course pages have all the details a learner would need to make that buying decision. You see, every high-performance course page has a clear, short and bold headline on the top section that shows what the course is about. Clearly listed course price. It also has detailed information about the course content, course creator's expertise, course benefits, and has a course trailer video and sample content videos as well. And it has detailed testimonials and FAQs. In fact, you must preempt all the questions that learners can ask and write down the answers as part of FAQs so that visitors can get the answers themselves. And most importantly, every high-performing course page has several call to action buttons spread across the page so that site visitors can quickly click on the call to action button without having to scroll up or down to search for them. So the intention behind such a page is that you must have all the content needed based on the sections we just spoke about, so that a visitor gets all the information that they need to make that decision to purchase the course. And then once you have made these changes to your course page, to convert this to a landing page, all you have to do is quickly duplicate the page, update its name and link in the page settings, and simply turn off the menu on this page. And this duplicate page is your landing page that you use for your ads. And that is the key step you must take to get a high performing landing page. Because when you start driving traffic to your site, you must use these duplicate pages as the ad landing page. By turning off the menu on the duplicate page, the site visitor will only be able to either read the page content and decide to purchase the course or leave the site. So unlike a course page where they have the option to go anywhere on the site, a landing page will force them to take the action you want them to, which means an instantly larger number of sales than a regular course page. And this so far is the secret behind online course businesses with Knorish, making millions in just a few weeks' time. Driving traffic with social media ads and then capturing exponential sales using optimized landing pages.